Hello everyone, my name is Akib and today I'm in Xi'an and welcome to Walking Tales episode number 1. We start our Walking Tales with the center of attention in Xi'an, Chunglo. Chunglo is one of the main attractions of Xi'an. Chunglo is center of Xi'an and it means bell tower. The history of Chunglo is that it's about 640 years old. Today in this walking tale we will be walking in Muslim Street, which is one of the main attractions of Xi'an too. Xi'an itself is not a Muslim city, but there is a big population of Muslims who reside here, especially because of the Muslim streets. So a lot of halal products can be found here, halal meat and other things. Chunglo, and just on this side is the Muslim street. The Muslim street starts from here. It's a very big street. Basically, it's for food. So people come here to enjoy halal food. There are different Muslim things and Xi'an local cuisines here. Here we've got some handcrafts and jewelry. These are the portable power banks. You can rent them out from anywhere and return them anywhere. This is Chinese cultured tea. And then we have got hanfu. This is not hanfu, this is just normal clothes. But hanfu is a traditional wear of girls and boys in China. Later I'll show you. This is what is called hanfu, as you can see in the picture and on the mannequins. Mostly girls wear this in Xi'an and come for photo shoot and a good experience. This is like dollar shop where you can buy a lot of different things which are related to Xi'an. As we go on this street from Bell Tower, then there is another, this is Drum Tower of Xi'an. This is the Drum Tower, and from right side of the Drum Tower the Muslim street starts and you can see the crowd. Usually it's crowded, but for now it's too much crowded because of the vacations. Today is 13th of August and right now it's summer vacation for children in China. So all the families from the other cities usually come to Xi'an to visit. You can see people are wearing the Muslim hat and they're selling their own specialties. We've got barbecue here, you've got ice cream, you've got different juices, and then there is a Chinese burger here which is Niu Jamua, which means beef Chinese burger. That's one of the very unique cuisine of Xi'an itself. So people whoever comes to Xi'an usually come here to try out Niu Jamua. It's a quite delicious and very different taste. There are no spices in it. It's only salt and the stew of the beef itself. It's boiled in it and then they use a bun to fill it up. Later I'll show you how it looks like. There we've got Chow Son Nai, which is the yogurt. You can see how many people are out to enjoy the Muslim street. Okay, so you see these people, they are all here in line just for that Chinese hamburger, which is near Jamwa. And let me show you guys how it looks like. So you see there's beef, it is boiling it on its own stew, and there's a bit of salt, and then they've got this bun in which they put this meat, and this is called Jamwa Chinese hamburger. This is the dragon. And then we've got Xi'an barbecue. You see these two letters in between this, it means Chin-Chin, it means halal. And there we've got our guys preparing the barbecue. Basically a Muslim street is sort of a food street. It has got a lot of food which is from the Muslim people and reserved for the Muslims. Everything you find here is halal. So there is no problem for Muslims to try it out. So you can try anything out here because all of this is halal. And there is another local dish from Xi'an which is pao moi. So basically pao moi is you take bread, you make very small bit pieces of it, and then you soak them into mutton or beef stew, and then you mix them. And when the bread is very soft, you eat it with noodles. It's a different kind of experience, very good, very tasty. If you're ever in Xi'an, you should try it out. Banana chips, and then they have this liu to, that's green beans drink. And here we've got the bamboo ice cream. They serve you the ice cream in bamboo itself. Here, that's another shop for pao moi. I think I told you is Shanghai special. They also have these beef dumplings. They're also very good. And here, the guy is making the dumplings. And here we've got the barbecue, squid, octopus, barbecue, pork feet, potatoes. And this one is again the jamwa, and you've got the juices. The street itself is very busy, so you may see a lot of rubbish here, but China itself is very clean, and every day all of this street is washed with water, so that because of a lot of people it gets dirty, but they try to keep it clean as much as possible. After every 10 to 15 steps you get to see the dustbins. People can put their rubbish in it, but when there are a lot of people, they throw them out because the dustbins themselves are full, so there is no place to put the rubbish. But Chinese government takes it very seriously to clean everything every day. That's why you see the tiles themselves are clean. It's only that when there is a dustbin, it's full. The people throw it and it falls out. Here we've got the Shanxi sweets. bean drink again, the one I told you. It's very famous in Xi'an, and it's usually sold in summers because apparently when you drink it, you don't feel hot anymore. So it's very cool in nature. Oh, by the way, Xi'an also has one of the oldest mosques in China, which has history of around 900 to 1000 years. But at this moment, I cannot show you because in China, the mosques are only open at the time of namaz. So as right of now, it's 10:30, so it's very late. So I cannot get in, and the street itself is very dark. So I cannot show you anything. So this way the Muslim street ends, but we've got different blocks of Muslim street. So if you go to left, it continues. By the way, before Labubu, this was the thing. People used to come to Xi'an to buy this thing. It's also a doll like Labubu. This place is for ear picking. They clean your ears. Here we've got the coconut juice. Oh, sorry, coconut water. Sweets again. Here we've got the painting. It's 20 per person, and within 3 minutes you get your drawing. Ribs, lamb ribs. Then we've got handmade jewelry here. Handmade sandals and bags. Cigarettes are very common in China and almost everybody smokes. So these are handmade special cigarettes you get from Xi'an. Okay, so this is something also interesting. These are mooncakes. So mooncakes are of different flavors, but they basically look same like this. They are also handmade. Coconut water again, and then bracelets and necklaces, stone necklaces. These are Xi'an local spices. This is fish foot massage. So people get their foot massage with fishes like this. You see, there are a lot of foreigners here because it's the summer vacation time. So a lot of people come here to experience Xi'an and enjoy their vacations. The Roma doll again. Stone bracelets. This is the shop to give you the old vibe of China. You can see old TV, old decor. Durian is also very common in China and people eat it with so much affection. Chinese spices. By the way, if you guys are in Xi'an and looking for a tour guide which can help you translate, help you find places where there are not a lot of people and the hidden gems of Xi'an, and then you need a driver and translator, then you can contact SM Tours. SM Tours is based in Xi'an. So basically they provide a driver plus translation services. So if you guys are in need of these services, you can contact SM Tours. I was telling you about Palmo. This is what it looks like. So basically you get the bread soaked in the stew, beef and some noodles. So yeah guys, that was it for today's Walking Tales. If you guys like this video, do like, share, subscribe and comment. See you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.